it was mentioned earlier when you folks were doing your introductory, and I have been worried about this for quite some time. You make me worry even more. You made it a point to say that this investor or group of investors with the $100 million is not a partner. Now, I had that drilled into me by walking all over Herrick for the last several weeks, because I went up that access road, I took a copy of one of these maps, I went all over the woods. There isn't a thing marked on that ground. You should, for your investors and for the town, to make sure these investors don't fall flat on their faces and drag this town and the state down at the same time, like so many companies do in this country right now. You should have this flagged out on the ground, that access road for starters. That is one nasty, stupid little road. And you should have an engineer, or a couple of them at a time, plus trucking company executives that are going to have to move these 100-foot plus trailers up there, including the low boys that have those big nacelles on them. And you ought to have them look at that and say, is this doable? Now, almost every project out there already has town or state roads, well-paved, excellent roads going to the ridges. You have nothing going to these ridges. On top of that, these ridges are horrible. They are nothing like what you find in Pennsylvania or most anywhere else. Even Leinster is beautiful comparison. This thing here, you're going to put 25% slopes that you're going to have to drag these massive machines up and down. You'll have to drag them up one massive slope and then lower them down another just to get along the ridge. And your investors deserve more from you. And you better call them partners. They better be partners in this project, or I am afraid they are going to go down the members.
I think that's why we hire civil engineers that build more wind farms. And they're looking at that.